Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about how to make Europass CVs. Firstly, let's know about what Europass CV actually is. The Europass CV is the best known CV formats in Europe. It is easy to use and familiar to employers and educational institutions. Now let's talk about important points that you should keep in mind while preparing Europass CV. First, make sure you use strong verbs and vivid adjectives. Second,
Avoid cliché.
third, consider the CV length. And lastly, proofread your Europass CV.
To help you understand better, I will take you to my computer screen. First, we will open official website of Europass CV. Then click on Login to Europass CV. Then click on Create Account. Then we will do registration process. Fill your personal details like name, email, and so on. Then click on this blue button below. It will take few seconds to load. Then you will be successfully registered, and a link will be sent to your registered email address. Then you will click on the link and set your password. This is the whole registration process. Then you will log in from your ID and password. This interface will appear. You have to click on the first left option, that is Create a CV. Then click on Create New CV. Then this format will appear. Fill all your personal details over here like name, about yourself, date of birth, address, etc. Then click on Save and move to next page. Click on Add New Section. There you will get various options like work experience, educational and training, hobbies, digital skills, and many more that you can choose according to yourself. Then move towards the next page. Here you will see preview of your Europass CV. Once you have selected color templates according to your preference, you can move towards next page. Then after this whole process, you will see final page where you will see the option of download. And from there you can save your Europass CV. So that's all, your own Europass CV is ready.
I hope you have learned how to prepare Europass CV for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. For more such updates, click the subscribe button. Thank you.